Today on Geek Advisor, I'm going to show you how to send large files for free. Let's go down to Firefox. I'm going to open up Firefox. And you need to type in send.firefox.com. They just developed a new way of sending large files for free. Inside this box here, you can drag or drop a file up to 1 gig in size. Or if you sign up, you can send a file up to 2.5 gigabytes in size. So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm going to open up Explorer. I'm going to go to Downloads. I'm going to move this over here to the right. Let's find a file to send. I'm just going to send this this executable file right here. Let's see if it'll allow us to do this. And I'm going to drag it and drop it. Okay, it sees the file here. I can select more than one file, it looks like. This file will expire after one download or 1 day. Let's see, we can say somebody can download it 2 times or 3 times or up to 100 times if we want to. And we can have it expire in 5 minutes, an hour, a day, or 7 days. I'm going to leave it for 1 download on 1 day. We can also protect this file with a password. So I'm just going to throw a password in there. I'm going to go ahead and hit upload. The file is ready to send. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. Now I can take this link and I can send it to somebody through email, or I can just give somebody a link in some other manner through chat or something like that. Once I send them the link, they can type the link into a browser like that, hit enter, type in the password to unlock, and they can download the file. Well, this looks like a good way to send files. It will allow you to send large files with a password, and it's encrypted end-to-end between you and the person you're sending it to, and not even Firefox can see what's in the files. Please check out my other videos down below. I have a video on how to update the Chrome browser, and I have a playlist on how to set applications on your system to dark mode, including Chrome, Gmail, Firefox, and other applications. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.